As we look at our collaboration information systems, let's look at the types of um, activities or ways we can interact with these information systems. And a wide variety of research has gone into looking at framing this. When a group is collaborating, you're either going to be collaborating in the same space at the same time, in different spaces at the same time, or in different spaces at different times. Okay. Anytime you're interacting with your group at the same time, that interaction is what we call synchronous. Your interactions are synchronized. They're occurring at the same time. They're interrelated with each other. When you're interacting at different times, it's called asynchronous. Okay. So as an example, a synchronous interactivity is a face-to-face conversation. Okay. A synchronous activity that's asynchronous in the same location. Okay. A synchronous activity over different locations might be a face-to-face conversation over Skype. Okay. Or it doesn't necessarily have to be visually face-to-face. We can also be texting each other over a multi-user chat program. Okay, so we're typing, we're interacting at the same time. An asynchronous technology, the typical one is email. Usually when someone's emailing another person, they send a response, and then later on in the day, someone else checks it, and then they send a reply back. The two people don't have to be online or using the same tool at the same time for this asynchronous communication to go back and forth. Voicemail is another asynchronous communication as compared to the synchronous communication of a phone conversation. Okay, so by now hopefully you're starting to get the result. Synchronous communication, same time. Asynchronous communication, different time. Proximate communication, same place. So non-proximate communication, different place. Okay, so once you've understand those, that framework can be used to identify what different tools are useful for different contexts. Now, some tools like email can be kind of used as a synchronous communication tool. If you're both on the network and the mail server is sending messages back and forth quickly, then you might as well be chatting, but you're using the mail application. So we use these terms to describe more the mode of communication and not just tie it to a single tool. Although there are some features of these tools that you'll want to, that lend themselves more toward either an asynchronous communication mode or a synchronous one.